In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a keynote with ChatGPT in a fast, simple, and beginner-friendly way. If you've ever wanted to create a presentation without staring at a blank slide, this workflow can save you a ton of time. Instead of building every slide from scratch, you can use ChatGPT to generate the content, organize your ideas, and then turn that outline into a keynote presentation using a tool like NoteGPT. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump in. The first step is to decide what your presentation is about. Before you open anything, think about your topic, your audience, and how many slides you want. For example, you might be making a school presentation, a business pitch, or a content idea deck. The clearer your topic is, the better ChatGPT will respond. A good prompt gives the AI direction, structure, and a goal to work toward. Now, open ChatGPT and ask it to write your presentation in Markdown format. Markdown works really well because it gives you a clean structure that is easy to paste into presentation tools later. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write a 5-slide presentation about a topic like the future of renewable energy. You can tell it to use a slide title, bullet points, and even add presenter notes for each slide. The more specific you are, the more useful the output will be. For a stronger prompt, you can include the number of slides, the tone, and the type of content you want. You could say something like, write a 5-slide presentation about remote work trends. Keep it professional. Include 1 intro slide, 3 main content slides, and 1 conclusion slide. You can also ask for short bullet points, so the final keynote looks clean and easy to read. This is a great way to avoid getting giant paragraphs that are hard to use in slides. Once ChatGPT gives you the outline, read through it carefully. Check whether the slide titles make sense, whether the bullets are clear, and whether anything needs to be shortened or rewritten. If the content feels too broad, you can go back and ask ChatGPT to refine it. For example, you might ask it to make the slides more persuasive, simpler, more visual, or more formal, depending on your needs. This is one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT first. You can polish the content before you even build the presentation. Next, go to a site like NoteGPT and look for the AI Keynote Generator tool. This is where you'll turn your ChatGPT content into a presentation format that can be downloaded for Keynote. Once you open the tool, paste in the Markdown outline you created with ChatGPT. Make sure the formatting is clean and easy to follow so the generator can read your slide structure properly. After pasting the content, click Generate. The tool will process your outline and create slides based on your text. Depending on the tool, you may get a preview of the presentation before downloading it. Take a moment to check the slide order, the text placement, and whether the content looks balanced. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust your ChatGPT prompt or edit the outline before generating again. When everything looks good, click Download for Keynote. This will export the presentation so you can open it in Apple Keynote and make final adjustments. Once it's in Keynote, you can change the theme, tweak fonts, replace images, and polish the design to match your style. That's the best part of this workflow. ChatGPT handles the structure and wording, and Keynote gives you the professional final polish. If you want even better results, here are a few quick pro tips. First, ask ChatGPT to keep each slide focused on one idea only. Second, request short bullet points instead of long explanations. Third, tell ChatGPT what audience the presentation is for, because that changes the tone and wording a lot. Fourth, if you want a more polished keynote, ask for presenter notes so you know what to say while presenting. And finally, always review the final slides before presenting, because small edits can make a big difference. So that's how to make a keynote with ChatGPT from start to finish. You generate the presentation content in ChatGPT, format it in Markdown format, paste it into an AI Keynote tool like NoteGPT, and then download it for Keynote. It's a simple workflow that can save you time and help you create better presentations faster. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.